Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're unable to adjust for daylight savings time in Windows 10 and the option is grayed out in the modern UI settings window. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start this tutorial off by opening up the start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best match to come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong you could easily restore it back. So in order to create the backup, it's very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the file tab, select export, file name. I usually recommend the date in which you're making the backup. Export range, keep it at all, and then save it to an easy access location on your computer or external media source. And once you're done with that, if you ever need to import back in, if you ever made a mistake, you can just do file and then import. So again, pretty straightforward process here. And now that you've done that, we're ready to begin. So go ahead and double click on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing for the system folder. Same thing for current control set. Same thing for control, again double click. And now there should be a time zone information folder under here, so just go left click on that. If you need to pause the video and take note of our file path, it's up at the top of our screen right here, you can clearly see it. And directing our attention over to the right panel, you want to locate something that says dynamic daylight time disabled. Go ahead and double click on that. And you want to set value data to 0, so if there's anything other than 0 in here, you want to delete it. Type the number 0, base should be hexadecimal, select OK. So at this point you should be able to close out the registry editor, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.